Welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I needed to hop on and complete the days for the Sabon Advent Calendar, and that is going to be days 21 through 24 of this lovely one right here. Now, when I started doing the Sabon Advent Calendar, I actually received this 7-day Advent Calendar, and I thought this was days 1 through 7. And then in the rest of the Advent, I thought it was the 8th through the 24th. But indeed, this is a whole Advent calendar in itself. Catch it? Oh my goodness, I couldn't believe it. So we have some more days to open up. But let's start with 21. Let me show you the inside. For those that didn't get an opportunity to see it, here you are. You can look at my Advent playlist and start from the beginning, and you will see where I started. So I'm looking for 21. It is this nice box here. It has a key on there. I love this company and I love their products. This is Patchouli Lavender Vanilla, and I'm glad I got a big one. Now I did get some smaller ones, and those will be great for me to travel with. We're going to go on to 22. I'll make this real quick. Here is the box. I love blue, various shades of blue. You can let me know what your favorite color is in the comments. Here we are. This is a hand cream, green rose. And this is enriched with shea butter and aloe vera. So we'll go on to day 23. And this is a pretty pink. I love the tassel color on it. The key is in gold. Oh, we have a bottle here. It's a shower oil. Delicate jasmine. Oh, that's nice. Enriched with 4 botanical oils. I know that's going to smell divine. I just know it. All right, that was 23. And last but not least is day 24. All right, this reminds me of a tissue box color. Let me know if you concur with that. This reminds me of a tissue box, maybe Kleenex. Just saying. Uh-oh, I think we have another lotion. A full size. Oh, it's a Dead Sea mask. Look at that. It's a 3-in-1 mask and scrub. Oh, I haven't used this. This is going to last a good while. Purify, refine, and glow. Oh, I love it. I love it. Already know. Already know. I'm going to love the experience. And hopefully it'll have a nice aroma as well. So I started pulling some of these boxes out, but I didn't put them back in. But we're going to go with day 1 since I have to do 1 through 7 in this box. I'm going to grab it for you right here. And it's looking like a bathtub. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, here we go. You all see that? It is. Oh, how cute. To put it up close so you can see. A porcelain tub. Fun fact about me, I grew up with a porcelain bathtub with the feet. I used to love that tub. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is nice. I love that. Okay, I'm going to put it back in here just so it won't break. So that's number 1. Number 2 is this box right here. It's a shower oil. It is green rose. You see the bubbles? That was cute. Bubbles coming up. Bloop, 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 bloop. And number 3. Nice, beautiful green box. Various shades of green. And it is a rose tea hand cream. Oh, enriched with shea butter and aloe vera. We have 4 at the top. Ooh. Oh, it's a rosewater gelée. infused with aloe vera, damask rosewater, and Dead Sea minerals. And here's the product, as you can see here. Smells nice. Here is 5, 6, and 7. Can't wait to see what this one is. Oh, it looks like a scrub. It's a body scrub. Patchouli, lavender, vanilla. Oh, this is great. So I basically will have a set when you put all of these together. Oh, and it smells so good. Oh my goodness, I gotta use that. I feel like I want to use it tonight. Number 6 was empty, and I was wondering whether or not I actually opened that. I don't know. Anyhow, last but not least is 7 in this orange box. Who likes orange? Let me know in the comments. Oh, here we are. It's a hand cream. Delicate Jasmine. And since I travel a lot, I love to have these. I'm so happy that I got all of these travel size items. Thank you for tuning in to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I greatly appreciate you for watching my Bag O' Day Crochet Yarn Advent Calendar, and also for watching my days for the Sabon Advent Calendar. If there are some Advent calendars that you think I should get in 2026, let me know and share them in the comments. Happy New Year to all of you. I greatly appreciate you. Thank you to my new subscribers, to my new members, and thank you as always, moderators, for all that you do and making sure that my chat stays clean. Have a wonderful day. And like I always say, live each day as if it were last. I'll see y'all next time.